Welcome. If you're looking to quickly pause invites on your Discord server and stop new members from joining, you're in the right place. Whether you're managing a sudden influx of users, handling a raid, or just need a break to tidy up your community, Discord's Pause Invites feature makes it simple and effective. Let's walk through the updated steps so you can easily pause invites on your server. First, open the Discord app on your device and log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, head over to your server, the one where you want to pause invites. You'll see your server's name at the top of the screen. Tap on it, or if you're on desktop, you might see 3 dots next to the server name. Give that a tap as well. A menu will appear. From here, select Server Settings. This will take you into the main settings menu for your server. Now, scroll down until you find the invite option. On mobile, you'll usually see this under the User Management section. Tap on Invite. Inside the invite settings, look for the option labeled Pause Invites. You'll see a checkbox or a toggle switch next to it. Go ahead and check the box or flip the switch to activate Pause Invites. Once you've done this, all existing invite links, vanity URLs, and embedded invites for your server will be temporarily disabled. This means no new users can join your server, even if they have a valid invite link. Don't worry, your existing links aren't deleted or revoked, they're just paused. Anyone trying to use them will see a message letting them know that invites are currently paused for your community. When you're ready to welcome new members again, simply return to the same settings and uncheck the Pause Invites option. Your invite links will work instantly, and people will be able to join as usual. That's all it takes. Pausing invites is a quick way to regain control and keep your community safe and manageable. Thanks for tuning in, and good luck managing your Discord server.